For this project, I used this Elise yarn that is 90% acrylic and 10% bamboo, and I used a 3.5 millimeter hook. First, you're gonna create a slip knot and you will crochet 25 chains. How much chains you're gonna crochet, that depends how long you want your case to be and how long your sunglasses are. I mostly have thin sunglasses that are not too big or too long, so I decided to make a small case in this video. When you've crocheted the chain, you can measure it how long it is compared to your glasses or sunglasses. After that, you will start creating the pattern. You will skip the first chain and insert your hook into the second one and make a single crochet. In total, you will make 5 single crochets in each chain. Then you will start to make the middle part of sunglasses case with that unique pattern, which combines slip stitches and half double crochets. After you made 5 single crochets, in the first free loop next to the last single crochet, you will be placing a slip stitch. And after that, in the next loop, you will be placing a half double crochet. Then slip stitch again, and then half double crochet. In total, you will have 7 slip stitches and 7 half double crochets. After you crocheted the middle part, you will have 5 free loops, and in each of those you're gonna place a single crochet to end the row. After you've crocheted your first row, you will chain 1 and then turn your work around and place a single crochet in the first hole or loop. After that, you will crochet 4 single crochets, but only in the back loops. So in total, you will have 5 single crochets in the beginning, or 4 single crochets, but only in back loops. After 5 single crochets in the beginning of the row, you will start making the middle part again, which always starts with a slip stitch, then half double crochet, slip stitch again, half double crochet, and ends with half double crochet. To end the row, you will place 4 single crochets, but only in back loops, and then you will place 1 single crochet in the last loop. So at the end of the row, you will have 5 single crochets in total, as well as in the beginning. In each new row, you will repeat the same process over and over again until you have the perfect length for your sunglasses case. So you will chain 1, then place a single crochet in the first loop and 4 single crochets in the back loop. And after that, you're gonna start creating again the middle part, which is slip stitch, then half double crochet, slip stitch again, half double crochet. Then to end the row, you're gonna place 5 single crochets, but 4 are gonna be in only back loops, and the last one is gonna be through both loops. After a few rows, your pattern should look something like this. The beginning and the end have the same pattern, and the middle part has a bit different pattern that makes this case unique. In total, I made 25 rows for this sunglasses case, which I think it's the perfect amount for thinner sunglasses. After I made enough rows, I folded my sunglasses case in half and sewed up it together, but make sure to leave one side open. So for example, in this video, I left my right side open. I sewed up the middle part and the left part. After you done sewing it up together, you will flip it inside out and your case will be ready to use. I think it's very unique and very practical for busy life when you're always on the go. So I hope you will use it as much as I do, and thank you so much for clicking on this video and following it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!